Parents and students of biology, real quick rundown of what's going on this week. Um, Test corrections for the meiosis exam are due this Friday. However, I will not be after school late on Fridays. It's the only day of the week I don't stay late. The test breakdown, students did better on a whole on this test. 8 A's, 8 B's, 11 C's, 4 D's, 10 F's. High on the F's, of course. I like to have less F's, but I am allowing test corrections. Those are due on Friday, like I said. Um, there's a complete dominance slash definition quiz tomorrow, Monday. Students known about this for a couple of days now at least. There'll be another quiz over incomplete dominance and codominance on Wednesday. And there's a reading I had him to do. The blue reading Troublesome Creek will be due on Friday. So the way I'm kind of setting up this this genetics section here, I have all these practice problems. So students go to here, they click on the answer. So I gave them a packet, a complete dominance packet. They click on this, they have problems to work. The answers to those problems are right here, so they can check their answers. I'm going to give a quiz tomorrow, the definition quiz over complete dominance. If your son or daughter does not like their score they made, they can retake it. However, they have to do this complete dominance extra practice. So they have to do that extra practice, show me it's completed, and after they show me that's completed, I'll give them another quiz to replace their grade. However, this could be whatever their second grade is, that's what the grade they get. So if they do better on the second test, they get a better grade. If they do worse on the second test, they get the second grade. So just kind of keep that in mind too. But this is all found on Moodle, so the extra practices right here, they have to show me that completed. And for the main copies, I've given them printouts of I print out a copy of this, but for the extra practice, they need to use their electronic device. Okay, so kind of keep that in mind. We're moving on to incomplete codominance answer key. So there's the answer key. I'm also going to put up the packet also, but students should already have this. Also, we have the Blue People of Troublesome Creek. So the Blue People of Troublesome Creek, this is the reading that can also be found, excuse me guys, right here. That's the reading of it. So there's the actual article. Pretty interesting text here. And then the reading guide is right here. Remember, students don't have to print this out if they lost theirs or they didn't get one or if they lost their copy, whatever. They can just write number 1, A, 2, 3. They can do it on a separate sheet of paper. It needs to be handwritten, not typed out. Just write it out for me real quick, guys. It'd be much appreciated. So remember, if your son or daughter does not score well on the quiz they like, they can retake it. However, they need to do a little extra practice. I think that is all the major. So the Blue People questions of Troublesome Creek reading and answer will be due on Friday, so students actually hand that in. So the kind of way I have this unit set up is where I give a lot of class time for students to actually work practice problems, these practice genetic problems. They can ask me questions, they can ask other people for help in the class, and I kind of walk around the room and help people out working on that. So if they finish early, they can work on the reading here. So hopefully this kind of helps out. Like I said, the main thing to remember that the test corrections are due on Friday. Hope this helps, and have a good week.